Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you guys? I hope you all are doing good. So welcome back to another new tutorial video. In today's video we will see how we can edit this flyer in Canva. So guys, let's start the video and let's see how we can edit this flyer. Okay, so here's our page, which is A4 sized, and I'm taking an element from the elements. So this is a by default element, so you guys can also use some of the elements, but we will try not to use all of them. You can just take one or two and make your own design with that. Okay, so here we have the logo, and in the background you can see a picture. So I will delete that picture afterwards. So let's focus on the typography here we have. So this is our first text we have. Okay, the second one. So let's align it. Okay, so you can simply press Ctrl+D to have a duplicate of your element. So I'm doing a bit of typography and alignment things. Okay, so this is a script font I'm using here. I'm doing the font pairing. So once you finally choose your favorite font, you can use that in the designs. I'm testing a bunch of them, and finally I liked one, so I'm just keeping that one. So I will also want this font to be like very light, like the upper one, so I'm changing that. Okay guys, I can give you a tip. If you can make a good font pairing and a good typography, your design will obviously stand out among the others, because the first thing we look at the design, we'll just look at the typography. So if that is good, your design will definitely stand out among the others. So that would be a very nice point. If you can focus on, you can always focus on the typography you're doing and try to make it more creative and like not very common or not seen very often, so you can make a very special design that will stand out. And here you can see I'm doing a full custom typography here. So yeah, this is what you need to make your design look more professional. So I'm doing a bit color changing. I'm doing giving some colors according to the design. So I'm keeping it with the blue color, light and deep. So I can also make some of the text bold and the dark color as well. Okay, it actually takes time to make a good design. It takes time, to be honest. So at first you'll need to test what looks good, and then you can final one design. So it actually takes times. Okay, so now let's just align this text. Why I'm doing this is like because I can edit the text individually like I want, so that's why I was like wanting to do. Okay, so I'm just aligning it. Okay, so if you need some bullet points like this, you can simply search like bullet point or arrows and change it to your desired color according to the design. So taking this bullet point for my highlighted text. Okay, so I'm simply just copying the text box and inserting my new text here. So first we'll align it and simply press Ctrl D to create a duplicate and insert your desired text in the text box. So make sure you are doing a bit of alignments. So here I'm inserting a new picture in the background. So as I have told earlier, I will delete the earlier background image. So here comes the new image which we'll be using in this design. So you can align the picture, and after you're done with the alignment, you can simply move it to backwards. Okay. So I'm taking a copy of the picture to fill up the bottom part of the picture. So at first I will be removing the background with the background remover of the picture. Okay, so now let's remove the background. Okay, I'm done. So I'll be placing it where I want. So I want to hide these. Alright, so now it looks good. Okay, now let's bring the contact us today. Okay, I'm changing the color to my design color. Okay, which is a dark navy blue. I'm taking a shadow here, placing it on the left side, so I can make a very good contrast between the text and the image as well. So you can always play around with the transparency panel of some elements. So here I'm just changed the shadow transparency. Okay, so here we can see we took a text box. So you can simply find this things like in the elements panel. So I'm using this one, just aligning it to the text box. Nice. Okay, you can also change the color to your desired one. Okay, now I'll need to add some final touch to the design. So I'll be adding some shadows. Always adjust the shadow using those bars. So you'll always have to adjust the shadows to your desired one. Okay, so when you give shadows to the highlighted text, it always make the design more lucrative and look more professional. Just adding some more shadows to the logos and the icons here. Okay, make it smaller and make sure you can also play with the transparency to make it look more professional. Okay, so it looks now good. You can place it like this. Yep. Okay, now here we can see our final design here. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys, and if you like this kind of videos, so you are very much welcome to like, follow and subscribe to our official YouTube and Facebook. You guys stay tuned with our channel until the next video comes up. Till now, thank you for watching the video and have a good day. Thank you very much.